Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing well. This is INDESIT gas cooker. To turn this on, I want to show you this nozzle here is the 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5, the starter. Okay, so start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this first 2 nozzle here is for the sitting. Okay, this one here is the starter. This is INDESIT gas cooker. Okay, INDESIT gas cooker. So this nozzle is for this one here. This second nozzle is for that one. This one is for the left, and this is for here. Okay, so this first 2 is for here, the first time. This 2 is for the back section. Okay, and what I want to show you is how to turn this on. At the moment I'm cooking beans, right? I'm cooking beans in here, but what I want to actually show you is how you can turn this on by yourself. This is to turn this on, you need to press the start button. So I want to show you how to turn this on, and this is very close to the camera. So to turn it on, you need to press the starter key and turn the nozzle. So that is on. To do the same for this, you need to press the start key and turn the nozzle. And turn the nozzle, then release your hand from the start key and it is on. This is how to turn this gas on. Thank you very much.